Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Devalus vacuum cleaner for home. Cordless vacuum cleaner with 23,000 PA powerful suction and 2,600 mAh powerful lithium batteries. 5 stages high efficiency filtration, for pet hair, carpet, and hard floor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Follow me, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 23,000 PA super suction and 3 suction modes. The vacuum cleaner provides a powerful suction of up to 23,000 PA, and it offers 3 different suction modes to meet various cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with dirt, debris, dust, or other types of garbage, this vacuum can handle it. It is suitable for use on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, tiles, marble, and more. Long battery life and detachable battery. With a large capacity battery, this cordless vacuum can run for up to 40 minutes on its low mode. The detachable battery design allows for convenient charging, either by charging it separately or while installed on the main body. Charging typically takes 4 to 5 hours, ensuring that you can complete your indoor cleaning tasks thoroughly. 6-in-1 multifunctional cleaner. This vacuum cleaner comes with various accessories, including a circular brush, long seam, and telescopic tube. You can combine these accessories into 6 different configurations to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. From stairs and curtains to window sills, sofas, beds, desks, and even cars, this vacuum is versatile and adaptable to your household cleaning needs. Wall-mounted design and one-button dust removal. The vacuum features a wall-mounted design, making it easy to store and charge, which helps save storage space and keeps your living area organized. The one-button dust removal feature simplifies the cleaning process, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.